In this tutorial, I will explain how you can set up a Cloud VPN server with UTunnel's Access Gateway solution in just a few clicks. Log in to your UTunnel account. Click on the Create button from the Get Started page if you have just set up a fresh UTunnel account. Otherwise, navigate to the Access Gateway tab and click the Create Gateway button. You will be asked to provide your billing address if you haven't already added it to your account. You can also skip this step and add the details later. You'll now land on the Create Access Gateway screen where you have to provide a few details to create your VPN gateway. Choose your preferred subscription plan, standard or basic, based on your requirements. You can view the pricing plans by clicking on the Compare Plans link here. Choose the Access Gateway type as Cloud. Enter an easily identifiable name for your VPN gateway. Choose one of the 7 cloud infrastructure as a service providers to deploy your gateway. Choose your preferred server deployment location and choose the cloud VPS specifications. Use the slider to choose the number of user licenses you require on your VPN gateway. Enter a discount code if you have any. Now, click on Proceed to view the order summary and monthly subscription charges. Review this and click on the Proceed button. You will now be asked to enter your payment details if it's your first subscription. Once the payment is successful, you will be redirected to the Access Gateway Details page, where you can monitor the server creation progress. After the Access Gateway is created, you can view its details, including IP address, gateway status, number of active users, cloud provider name, location, instance specifications, available bandwidth, and subscription type. Additionally, you can access charts displaying data usage, VPN sessions, and CPU and memory utilization. You've now successfully configured your Cloud VPN server using UTunnel. Now you can invite users to whom you want to grant access to your newly created UTunnel VPN gateway. When users log into the UTunnel client applications, this access gateway will be listed and ready for connection. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact UTunnel's support team at support@utunnel.io.